Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I received this travel makeup brush set, and it has a little LED light mirror. So we're gonna unbox this together and see if it's all what the hype says, right? So let's check it out. I'm trying to look and see, there's different brushes in here that we're gonna be looking at. And if you are like me, don't know what brush to use for what, so I'll probably cut that out and put it in here. But how do we open it? This is why I do the unboxings, so that we can learn together. Oh, you just pull it open. Okay, and it looks like it goes however you want. So there's the mirror there, and it looks like there's lighting. Only the one light. So that's what you get. Now, I'm hoping that's not a very good mirror. So we're gonna see if this comes off. I'm thinking that it does. Yes, there we go. Much better, and yeah, there is a light. Let me see. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but all these little lights are kind of blurry, and I don't know if it's me or if it's my glasses or if it's just the lighting. So you can go ahead and turn that however you'd like. And it's got all these different brushes in there. So we will go ahead and open these guys, and we'll try and match them up. And then this says to learn more. They give you a little thing. It's from BS_mall. So bssmallbeauty.com is where you can get these. And then I'm gonna give you this stuff here. You can actually scan that for Amazon. You can look there, and I'll also put a little link in the description for you as well. So there's nothing written on it. It's a beautiful, like peachy pink color. There's nothing on it to say what type of brush it is. So this, we're gonna play matchup here. It's not angled at all. It looks like it could be a classic eyeshadow brush or an eyebrow combination brush. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna put this, can you see that? This next one, that's a little spoolie, which is an eyebrow brush, so I know that one. This is a nice angled brush, and this is good for putting your eyebrows on. So we've got the eyebrows down. What's this one? Oh, this one is, what is this one? It's not flat, so this one could be a crease brush perhaps, or again an eyebrow brush. I'm thinking this is the eyebrow combination brush, and this is maybe the precision crease brush. This is a little teeny tiny guy. Maybe a detail brush or a lip brush. This might be the lip brush. I wish they would have told me or let us know. I guess this is it, and maybe my eyes just can't see that great. This one is a detail brush. Okay, so that makes the other one the lip brush, right? And this is a flat angled eyeshadow brush, maybe. Nope. This is the flat angled eyeshadow brush. So that makes this one, I don't know, is it an angle? Could this be? We're so stuck here. This could be the classic eyeshadow brush. Got this one here. And this is a flame brush for blending eyeshadow primer. Let's do these big ones. How about that? This is an angled brush, but it doesn't look angled, but it's perfect for blush and bronzer. It looked pretty flat. It didn't look angled. This one looks angled. And let's see, hold on. This is the big powder brush. So we do have that one. And then this one, now this one looks angled. This could either be, this is the face flat brush. So it's got a little bit of an angle, but it is flat. Suitable for highlights and grooming. And we've got two more. This one's definitely angled. It's thick and angled, so we're gonna go with the angled detail brush. Yep. And then this. This is the flame brush. Okay, that's one of these is the flame brush, and one of them is the precision brush. I don't know. You guys tell me if you know these three. If it were in my, well, these are my brushes, but if they were in my makeup case, these would all be for who knows what. I'd probably only use this one all the time, and it would be for eyeshadow. But yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to learn more about makeup, and that is a nice little box. At least it's going to keep everything nice and organized, and it will travel well. And yeah, you just open it by pulling. You don't have to push or anything like that. So it's got your little mirror, and it works actually really good. If you could see me, I don't know if you could see me or not. But the mirror looks really good, really clear. And then when I put the lights on, it kind of, let's see. Yeah, it gets really, you know, when you're driving at night and you get those like light halos, it's giving me that. But when I take my glasses off, it's not so bad. But I'll probably use it without the light. So, but it's nice. It's a nice little holder for all your different brushes. It's got all the nice brushes. I don't think I would need any other brushes than what's here. And it would make a nice gift as well. So, travel makeup brush set. So, all right, beauties. I hope you like this. Let me know if you want any other unboxings, because I do love to show you my Amazon finds. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.